All right, today we are doing some more vocabulary. So the bell word problems for Friday, September 11th are once again focusing on vocabulary. So match the definition to the appropriate term. Number 1, two angles that have a sum of 90 degrees. The correct answer is F, complementary angles. Remember, two angles that have a sum of 90 degrees are called complementary angles. Number 2, supplementary and adjacent angles both are linear pairs, so the correct answer is E. Supplementary and adjacent angles both form linear pairs. Number 3, angles that share a vertex and a side are called adjacent angles, so the correct answer there is letter D, adjacent angles. Number 4, the opposite and congruent angles formed by two intersecting lines. The correct answer is I, vertical angles. Remember, vertical angles are across from each other and they are congruent. Number 5, this divides a segment into two congruent parts. The correct answer is H, midpoint. A midpoint is directly in the middle of a segment. It divides the segment into two congruent parts. And number 6, two angles that have a sum of 180 degrees. The correct answer there is C, supplementary angles.